I've suffered from depression since, well, I discovered I had it when I was about 20. And I think it's important not to point at something that happened that created it. Now that can happen, but with me, it was something that was manifest in my brain since, I don't know, since I was a child, I suppose. And I think the mistake that can happen is if someone will ask me, oh, what happened? What's nothing happened. I'm just not feeling well, you know? And I think that's very important to point out. And especially in a conversation about depression, it's definitely, it's the worst. Anybody who suffers from depression will say that the worst thing that could happen is your partner, your friends going, what happened? Did something happen? Is there anything we can do? Nothing happened. I just suffer from depression. There's a chemical problem in my brain at the moment, and whatever way you can fix it. Now, certain things can happen to people and it can put them in a depression, and certain things can trigger it. But I think it's the stigma that, okay, Jesus, what's wrong with him? Nothing's happened to him. He has a great life. He's got loads of friends. He's a musician. He's up on a stage singing. And why is he depressed? You know, there's more to it than just a certain occasion that might trigger it, you know?